Hey y'all, it is Sunday, okay? And I wanted to get some filming done, for you guys today. But first, I need to do a couple things. Number one, I need a Red Bull, okay? Because I need some energy, chat. I stayed up too late last night. Where's my dog? Hi, Mama. You say hi. Say hi. Say, I love my mama. Mwah. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay. Anyway, that's enough with Pop-Up. So I also need to do my makeup because I look a hot mess express today. And that's okay. I'm gonna do my face. So I have been doing a little bit of shopping. I went to Bath Body & Works. I went to Aldo because I needed some boots. What else did I go? I'm trying to think, y'all. Oh, Lord Jesus. Let's check out this hair. Okay, I probably need to go over it again because it does look a little mess. And if you have not already checked out my Christmas video where I put up my tree, lighting is bad in here. Let's turn the light on. I put my Christmas tree up and it turned out gorgeous. Okay, let's turn it around so y'all can see. Okay, here we go. It turned out so pretty. Y'all see my owl? He's so cute. And yes, I know it's early and I know what y'all gonna say, but 2020 has been a hot mess express. Just overall doom and gloom, and I really wanted to have Christmas cheer probably up a little bit longer than the normal, 30 days. Put it up after Thanksgiving. Don't judge me. And y'all, I kind of got the ornaments from all over the place. These poinsettias are some of everything, chat. I got these poinsettias from Hobby Lobby, and I used a coupon and ended up getting all of them 50% off. I only paid $2 a piece, and I kind of stuck them in as fillers. I usually do big jumbo size balls to stick in as fillers, but this year I did not do that. I added snowflakes this year too. And you guys, I added this faux fur ribbon. And y'all, the ribbon is so inexpensive. And I am not a professional Christmas tree decorator person, okay? Also in the video, you'll see that my youngest son helped me put it up. He was more excited about putting it up than I was. So I'm doing a good job as far as parenting go. Yay me. And of course, I have not started decorating my, what is this over here, y'all? The fireplace. I haven't, this is from last year. Oh, that's from last year. These are all my last year decor. I only added one new thing. This one right here in the middle is the puppy's favorite thing to try to eat. There he is over there in his chair, minding his business. Okay. Anyway, I want to do more. I'm thinking I'm going to add some greenery around the top part up here. And then, of course, this year I have red stockings for everybody, y'all. Have red stockings, but red don't go with my whole, taupe silver gold theme that I have in my living room. So I'm going to try to see if I can find some. So that's good. That's a good idea. What was I about to do? I was about to get me a Red Bull because that's like super important right now, so that I have enough energy to get this done today. What did I do? Nope, it's not in the garage. The hell is it going? Oh, yeah. Yes, honey. Red Bulls are bad for you. They are not good for you. Okay? That is probably why I'm thicker than a Snicker. But y'all need my Red Bull. I need it. Woo, child. Burn the back of my throat. Okay. So to set up the scenery, which probably gonna be the next video because I haven't filmed in a long time. And in videos, as you probably have noticed, dun dun dun, the big reveal, I haven't. Not because I didn't want to, just because I couldn't handle, full transparency here, ding, I could not handle going to school, kids, a pandemic, uploading YouTube videos, doing home decor for some clients, you know. And I also kind of like totally slowed down with that because it's very important. I did my practicum this past semester. So next semester I start my internship and I will be graduating in May. But I gotta focus, right? So I get 3 weeks off. So I'm trying to get as much content together as possible. So anyway, I believe I'm going to sit on the floor for my next video and have my tree as my background. It's so cute. And I think I'm gonna set it up over here. Yeah. I don't know if I should turn the tree on or I should leave the tree off. Don't know. We'll figure that part out. But yeah, so I need to pick out my outfit and kind of like figure out what I'm gonna do to my face, because this face on a video for you needs to be super cute. Y'all need to put on as much black as I possibly can, honey, to hide my curves. When I'm filming, I love to put on tops that are bold, that stands out a lot, because that's all you guys can really see. I am in love with this top. I got it from Express, y'all. How much you pay for it? I know I got it 50% off because me, she, her do not pay full price. So 70, 35. Yeah, probably got it for around $35. And I have some leather. No, it's not real leather. Faux leather pants from Express. Y'all love Express. Everybody here know I love Express, right? I guess that could be another video. No. Yes. Yes. Faux leather pants. It's cute. Hi, mama. Y'all, he follow me everywhere. Everywhere I'm at, just know he's somewhere around. He does not like to be alone. Say, I have a problem with being by myself. That's how I imagine he talks. Don't you? Pop up. Can't see his eyes. There you go. Say, I cute, mama. Say, hey. He's so cute to me. I might be biased. I'm his mother, so. Anyway. Jeez, y'all. And I am telling you, outfit player, I ain't going. Okay. Yeah. See? Grown and sexy.
mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Close your eye. Open your mouth. What are you doing? Oh my God. That's good.
Turn the lights off. Okay, so I have all of this stuff done after my video. The big mess that I've created in my living room. I had to deflate Santa because he was too noisy. I mean, you know, take one for the team. And now I need my son to come help me so that I can go outside and swing and have a good time and chill. So y'all, let's call Justin and see if he will come help me. Well, tell him that he's coming to help me, because...
Yes.
Hello, sir. Can you come and help me put this stuff up?
Of course.
And I have some things for you. A nightlight and a, thing to go in your room.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. We got help. We have help. All right. I need to get this put up, and then I guess we will end the day, you guys, outside on the patio. And just enjoy the rest of this weather we're having. Good weather. This 70 weather in Georgia that we're having. Yes.